we're changing out the tractor front tires. We sprung a leak all summer long. We were filling up the tires, and it's winter, well, fall now. And it's time to fix it, get it ready for next year. All right, if I lift the tractor up, tire up, you get that? How heavy is this sucker? Works. Don't go on the tractor, okay, kids? I don't want it falling. Okay? Okay, so now we're gonna need to get this tire off. Okay, wipe it off here. See, is there a ring there? Yeah, you see that right there? We just have to spread that, pop that off. That ring there, we're gonna pull it out. See how there's like a line? Like right there? We're just gonna just push that, pull that off. Okay, put it there. Go again. Ah, good job. We'll put that right here so we don't lose it. Okay, next you can just pull off the whole tire now. Ready? Came off. Yeah. There.
Mine's kind of
All right, now we got the new one right here. Pull that out. Okay, we don't need that. And we're gonna need the cutters. Cut this. You hold that. Okay.
Oh, there, your gloves are massive.
Okay. Okay. Oh, gotta take that off. Okay. Oh, what do we got there? We got a grease nipple. So there's the air. That's to put grease into the tire. That's cool. So we see that? We got a grease nipple on the back side and in the air on that side. So that'll squirt grease into it. So that goes on there like that.
Oh, is
Then
this
this-
with another one?
I don't know. I think it came with two sides. Maybe to get that board, we could put it underneath it, eh? We gotta get that out. Off. Cut that. Cut that. There you go. Good thinking. Okay. So now we have this big one. That's too big. Alright. How about that? Oh, I see these are different sizes, babies. Like that. Let's see, put that one on. Oh yeah, that was the same as that, eh? This guy right here. Ooh, that's perfect, eh? And then you just push that down.
Then it's done?
I think so. And then we gotta grease it. Just push that down. Stick your finger. Can you hit it with the hammer? So if you take the hammer and put it, you're gonna kind of hit it on top of there. Whoop. There again. Okay, just a second. You kind of have to get it this way. It has to be more like that, okay? You might have to get your body up. Oh, hey, I got another idea. Hey, no. What if we do it like this? There you go. There must be a way to do it. Ah! Okay, come put it on, Gil. You're gonna put it on that cap there. Gil's going in.
Okay, guys. Okay. Now about it. Really tight. know. This will fit?
Oh yeah. This kind of goes up and over.
I think that bowl is too big.
I think you just squeeze it.
Like, maybe
Like this. Like,
and you squeeze the top.
yeah, yeah.
Like, can I help you put a grease in?
Yep, we go and do it. Not yet, Gil. Don't do that, son.
Oh, perfect.
Aha! We got it on, Gil. Okay. Let's get another napkin. Don't poke this, though. Okay, now we're gonna take the grease gun.
Sweet.
Whoa! That was quite the help. Okay, this is really greasy. Okay, don't touch it yet till I get it connected. So in here, then, we're looking for that tool. There it is, right there. Okay, so you just put this and you squeeze it together.
You want me to help?
You look at the front side and see if you see goobers going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, the other side, Rose, Steve, Louie. The other side, look, is there stuff?
I have to open the cap.
No, we'll leave it then. Okay, I think you're good, Rose. Okay, we're coming over to this other side now. Pull this off. Okay, we'll put this over here. Okay, we can do the other tire. Yo, you gonna come help me? This is really messy. Don't touch this one, okay?
Oh, neat, Dad.
Look how
Then
messy
I'll
that is.
take the tire off.
Okay, don't lose the pieces.
So where's that other tire? A new tire. I'll put it right
In the
here.
garage. Let's go get the other tire. Yo, you bring the tools over to
Yeah,
Louis.
the cap's really hard to get off.
Let's see. Come on, I know you want to. We'll wipe it down with a napkin first. Right here.
You get it? Are you getting the
Fire. All right, and I see we got to get Gil new gloves because those are dirty. All the way over here, Rose.
I got it.
Yeah, you did.
These flats.
Okay, I'll go get you new ones. Those ones are messy. Okay?
These are messy too.
Yeah, those ones are real. We don't want your hands getting dirty, okay? I'll get you new ones. Oh, good job. You can open up the other box.
Hey, but you need
A screwdriver will work.
screwdriver. No. Hey, stay down. No, wait, no. We're gonna pull it out. I pull it out. You hold it. There, you move right in here, left. I move. Okay, whether you hold on the bottom, I pull. What's it need your help? Okay, you hold on to the box. Okay.
All right, Gil, here you go. Gil, Gilbert, what's that? I got it.
That's it.
1, 2. You got the right side in. Let's see, the air one on the outside.
Yep.
Okay. I think we used the original one, the first one that came off. It's on the other tire behind you. Yep, right there behind you. You're gonna sit on it. Okay.
And we're using this black one.
The new one I just gave you, right?
You give me this.
Yep, just like that. Okay, now you get your pliers. Okay, come on. The pliers grow. So that's the big side. Here, if you turn it around. So one side's the small side, that side's the big side. So now we're gonna go on the bottom of that. Ah, you did it. Now we can put the cap on.
Oh, this is the part.
Okay, wait, back up. Okay, we're on. Oh my word, there's a lot of tooting going on around here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pretty good. 7, 1 or 2. Okay. Take them off, and I think I saw a grease one right here. Look at that. There we go. Coming out. Okay, right here.
We already got it?
Yeah. Are you ready for Samson? 1, 2. See a big smile face over here. Ah, that's a good one. You got grease all over your face.